Here I have Honor 10 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings right here. Then you need to scroll down and choose system. Here you have to tap language and input. Choose language from the top of the screen and this is your language. So in my case, right now I'm using the English from United States. If you would like to change your language, let's choose the Add Language button. Let me tap Cancel. Here you've got the access to the list of languages that you can use. So this is the full list of languages. Let me scroll down to the bottom. And if you would like to change your language, let's tap on your appropriate language. In my case, let me change, for example, into the Spanish. So let's tap on Español, from España, for example. And now, if I would like to use the Spanish, I need to place it into the first position. Let me show you. Just hold down for a moment and place above the English. So right now, I'm using the Spanish version of my device. As you can see, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes, scroll down to the bottom and choose Sistema. Here you need to choose Idioma y Traducción de Texto, tap Idioma again, and now let's place English into the first position. So that's it, everything went well. Right now I'm using the English version of my device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.